Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop, as well as a freebie down below so you can grab it. Back at it, you guys. Savings challenges on deck. I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 32, 34, 35, $36 today that I am working with. I am going to grab some change because the spiciest I was thinking was maybe $2, but I decided to pull my players cards, so let's just see how this goes. Okay, I got me some change to get me started. I also grabbed, made sure I have my IOU today. Sometimes with the players cards, it gets, you know, a little bit, I have my IOU slip. Sometimes with the players cards, you never know. So I did get as much change as I possibly could. I did realize I have an IOU, and I believe we can take care of that first before we jump into getting this savings challenges completed. All right, so we owe $1. Let's remove that one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I did not color in the 5 last time, so we're just going to go ahead and leave this 5 out, so that way when I go in to color, I can color all at once. So let's shuffle up these cards. I have a couple of savings challenges that are pretty close. That was one of the reasons I chose this binder, but also I felt like my freebies weren't getting very much love because I was working on my other savings challenges. All right, so this one actually only needs 3, but we're going to do 2 cards for each savings challenge. Some of them have a flip again, so you pay a fine and then flip again kind of thing. So you have a couple cards there. Number 1, getting $3, which is fantastic because this one only needs $3. So that's perfect. And we'll work on getting another savings challenge in there at some point. $2 here. 2, 4. I can't remember how many that one needed. $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. $2. 1, 2, 3, $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So I do need some change. So I think we may have to make it through one round and see. Let's see, 2, 4, 5. So let's go ahead and just complete this one now. This one is from Lake and Bacon, and it was a freebie. All of these are freebies, actually. So this savings challenge saved me $10 in total. So glad it's done. I wanted to get a couple of my savings challenges completed so I can work on getting another cash stuffing taken care of. All right, so the next one we have $2. And this one is from the Hopeful Budgeter. So we're going to add $2 here. 1, 2. And we have 2, 4, $5. Put these 2 separate so I can remember. Okay. This one we're still working on. So, let's just start there. Did we pull all the cards? I'm confusing myself. All right, so we pulled all the cards, and what we're going to do is go ahead and shuffle them one more time. And this time they're only going to get one. This one doesn't have anything in it, so $3, $1. And I'm not certain how many this one needs, so we do need to check on that one. $1. Okay. Pulling all the ones, let's see. $1 and $1. All right, so we have a few more bucks there. I know some of these other ones are kind of pricey. Let's see. Ugh, $3. Ooh, see, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, wait, but this one might be finished. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this one from the Hopeful Budgeter is finished. So, well, let's go ahead and take care of it. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so in total, this savings challenge saved me $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12. Love to see that. Okay, so those are completed. And this one is from Frugality is Life. And let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5. I guess we can color in that other, I guess it's not technically a bubble, but we'll go ahead and color it in anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this savings challenge is now completed. And it saved me 10, 12, 14, 15 bucks. Perfect. Okay, so now we're moving on to our S&C budget creations. This was a freebie, and it's called Life's a Beach. Let's see, what did we save? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bucks. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. All right, so in total now we have $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 in my S&C budget creation savings challenge. That is a freebie. Then we have $1, $2, $3. And this one is from Build It Big Budgets. So let's color in 3. 1, 2, 3. This one only needs $1 more. Should I finish it? I think I'm going to finish it, guys. I'm going to finish it. Done. Taking $1. All right. This savings challenge saved me 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bucks. Perfect. Okay, this is exciting. Okay, okay. Calm down. All right. So for this savings challenge, it's my Wicked savings challenge from Suns and Roses. So let's color in that $5 that we completed this time because we had that IOU. Where's my marker? Okay, there it is. All right, so, and I have a $6 butterfly, $6 butterfly, and a $5 butterfly. How much do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bucks. Okay, I guess I'm coloring in my $5. So the next two are $6. Good luck to us. All right. In this savings challenge, I have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, $23. Yes, $23. That's a lot of money. Oh, gosh. So I just need $12 more, and this one will be completed. This originally had higher amounts. I believe it was $80. But what I did was I did the sum savings where you just add the numbers together if there were 2 digits. So let's see here. All right, we still have a couple bucks over here. We still have a couple savings challenges that need some love. So we have 5 bucks left. Let's see here. Neither one of them can be finished from this $5. So let me just see what we can do here. This savings challenge was a collaboration with Dear Finance, Miss Frugal, and Boop and Budgets. This was the New Year's one. I've been trying to get in here all month, so that's really good. All right, and then we're going to be moving on to February pretty soon, and so I decided to start thinking about having some cute little savings challenges, pinks, things like that. And so these are perfect for the transition, not necessarily Valentine's-esque, but we've got a couple that are going in now. This one is Deep Plans and Budgets, so I'll link these down below. And then, oh, we missed one. This one's Baddies and Bankroll. So let's see. Then we've gone over the S&C. All right. So I think the rest of these are looking more like, oh, let's do this one. Get a little bit of blue in there. So from the Faithful Dash, this one is Pray Without Ceasing. 1 Thessalonians 5:17 from the Faithful Dash. We'll link her as well. All right, so we've got those in there. And that was number 6. Okay, so I guess the best thing to do at this point, okay, I had to search high and low for my dice because I could not find it. So what we can do is we'll just go in order. The first savings challenge, it lands on 1 through 6, gets $1. Second one, $2. The third one, $2. 1, getting $1. 5, getting $2. And 4, getting $2. Perfect. All right, I just didn't want an IOU. I'm feeling like today was one of those days where we could get through the cash stuffing for our sinking funds without an IOU. All right, so let's choose. All right, so we have $1 going into this collaboration savings challenge to get us going for next time. And then we have $2 going into our Life's a Beach. 1, 2, and I won't recount it. I think we've counted enough. All right, and then we've got $2 going into our Pray Without Ceasing. I think I want to try this color. And I'm just going to leave each of my hearts $1. Maybe I should write that on there. Perfect. All right, so we have $2 starting us off for next time. And hopefully we can get a few more savings challenges completed. Get rocking and rolling here with our sinking funds. I've really been enjoying doing these sinking funds cash stuffings. So today we completed 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! 4 savings challenges, and there's no IOU, which is amazing. I love it. So we're going to try to keep that up the best way we can. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.